I'm Vivian Landix, class of 2016. Being a Broward Master Gardener and part of the vegetable gardening team has been an amazing experience. I am having such a wonderful time. Our vegetable garden group is a wonderful group to work with. We all come from different professional backgrounds and gardening experiences, but what unites us is our commitment to work together towards common goals, to create a beautiful and productive vegetable garden, to share our gardening knowledge and experiences with each other, and to donate most of what we grow to families in need. But for the most part, we just enjoy getting together and having a good time working in the garden.
Hello, I'm Martha Crane, and I am a Master Gardener with the IFAS Extension Center in Broward County. I am a member of the vegetable team, and my specific duties are weeding. I chose to be the head weeder because I find it extremely therapeutic. At the time we started the project, I was having some mother-daughter issues, which all of you who are mothers or daughters can understand, and going out in the garden and clearing the garden with my axe or ripping up weeds did more than going to therapy to release my stress. So I became very involved in the project for that reason. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Peggy DeMars, and I'm part of the Vegetable Demonstration Garden and also a Master Gardener. One of the reasons why I joined was the fact that I learned how to grow all different types of vegetables, and especially some unique ones that we did. I also have limited space in my yard and iguanas, which prevent me from growing some of the vegetables I'd like to do. The small pumpkin and the quinoa were the most interesting to me, but I enjoyed the different cultivars of green beans, carrots, and onions. The camaraderie is what kept me going, and learning from each person. Everybody contributed different experiences to our program. And also the fact that we got to donate our excess vegetables, that's very important to me as a retiree. I like to give back to the community. I think the icing on the cake was winning the Legacy Award. I can't say enough about how supportive Lana and her staff have been in teaching us valuable information and being there for us. I hope that you'll come join us in the fall.
I've enjoyed the camaraderie, and basically I've learned a lot by doing, and I think we're all doing that same thing for one reason or another, in one way or another. Broward County Extension Administrative Support has made the project possible, so I thank you, Lana, Anthony, and Adam. Being part of the Master Garden team, I continue to learn. I've acquired confidence enough to start my own edible food growing sites in what was beautifully landscaped patio. As a Master Gardener, I've been working at Snyder Park, a City of Fort Lauderdale 92-acre park, designing, cultivating, and creating different growing spaces, a butterfly garden, a permaculture-based food forest, a fruit orchard, demonstration raised beds for handicap, and it's been a pleasure. And I can say that other Master Gardeners that have been dedicated to the projects at Snyder Park as I have, it wouldn't have been possible without them. And I'd like to thank all those involved in the grant to make this opportunity possible. I've enjoyed so much working with those on the team, and I look forward to eventually presenting this to teachers and inspiring other Master Gardeners.
Hi, my name is Cheryl, and I am part of the vegetable team at IFAS Extension in Broward County. And I am so happy to be part of the team and also to be growing vegetables for the Master Gardener program. What attracted me to this project is the chance to grow vegetables with other people, with other team members who bring together an enormous amount of knowledge and understanding of both Florida's a tough climate and tough soil in which to grow vegetables. I also really enjoy fruit trees myself, and I'm standing in front of a loquat, and it looks like this year we might get a few. It's starting to flower.
Good afternoon. My name is Elizabeth Roberts, and I am a Master Gardener graduate of 2015 from IFAS in Broward County, the Extension Office. Over the past 5 years, I've been involved in a variety of activities through the Master Gardener program and the Extension Service with much of their support. I moved to Florida about 12 years ago from Iowa. I've always worked in a garden and landscaping and raising flowers. And when I became aware of the Master Gardening class here, I thought that would be a really good way to get to know Florida. And it has been. It has opened so many doors for me. Volunteering for coastal restoration, to removing invasives, to growing butterflies and setting them free. And then this year I was asked to be on a vegetable team where we went to a piece of land that looked like nothing, was full of torpedo grass, and we turned it into an oasis of vegetables that we were able to share with the community during a very difficult time of this year. It meant a great deal to all of us to have the support of the Broward Extension Office, specifically Lana and Anthony and Adam, who came out and helped us with issues dealing with pests, soil, pathogens, composting, water restrictions, weather difficulties, and with all the resources that are available through the extension, we were able to do our research, get educated, and figure out how to overcome these difficulties. That's why this project was important to me. The other question was, what activities in our team have fostered enthusiasm and innovation, information sharing, and collaboration? Well, this team of women are just a joy to work with. We have to get up early in the morning before it gets hot. We make plans of where we're going to put certain plants, what we're going to plant, how we're going to handle problems that arise with these plants, if there's an infestation of pests or if the weather's too hot. But together we were able to overcome these issues, and we produced a vegetable garden that was beautiful. It was just absolutely beautiful. We had quite a character building year this year. None of us knew each other, and we look forward to every Friday getting together. And we had a queen weeder, Martha. We had a great leader, Vivian, and Jeannie provided massive amounts of seedlings, and two Peggies did wonderful videos, educational videos, and then there's just those of us who wanted to be there to be helping hands, sharing in the joy of watching this piece of dirt turn into a productive area. Let's see. What makes this project a meaningful experience for me, I think, was putting everything that I learned in the Master Gardening classes 5 years ago, incorporating that, reinforcing that, and then sharing that with so many other people. I have 3 daughters that have started their own gardens and butterfly gardens through their extension services in different states. So what we learn here doesn't just stay here, it mushrooms out into the community, and I think that's a better way for us to learn how to treat our world and benefit from it.
Hi, my name is Peg Lackner. I'm a volunteer Master Gardener with UF and IFAS in Broward County. I'd just like to mention to you briefly some things that attracted me to joining the vegetable garden group at UF. First of all, I live in a condominium and I cannot garden at home. Second, I wanted to obtain knowledge of gardening in Florida versus the Northeast, which is different. I wanted to participate in educating the public, including children, on veggie gardening in any environment. And I was looking for teamwork and the varied knowledge of the other members. What I really gained from this was friendship, great respect for the members of this group with all their varied experience that all were willing to share, a grant that we received that helped finance the items that we needed to put the garden together, putting together educational programs, video and live, to educate the public on growing vegetables no matter where they live, donating vegetables to a local food bank, which is very important to me, the expertise of the University of Florida staff and their willingness to assist this group, learning alternative methods of growing vegetables. Did I mention friendship? So if you are a Master Gardener, I encourage you to sign up for our group next fall if you're willing to dig in and learn. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Jeannie, Master Gardener Volunteer for the UF IFAS Extension Office in Broward County. Welcome. Well, I'm here to sort of give you a personal insight of what this experience has been for me personally. And there, you know, as the cliche says, there's not enough words to sort of express the gratitude and everything that I've been able to learn from this group of people. But I think the most important part to me about this project is being able to share it with as many people as we possibly can share it, and allow people to understand that there is challenges to gardening, but they're not that challenging. I mean, I think everyone should be out there bending their soil, giving the land some love, some TLC, and I think all the TLC that my group was able to give this piece of space sort of flourished, and it became what it is. And that's what's exciting about it, that we all had this common goal in our own different sort of unique way, and we came together and we learned from each other. We all have different niches, and that's the beauty of working in team, is sort of taking advantages of someone's strengths, knowing that if you had a weakness. So I learned an enormous amount of information from these women from the UF IFAS Broward County Extension Office. I mean, it is priceless, the information that I know. But I am so thankful that I've been here, and that I took this journey, and I came out on the other side, and here I am, and I'm ecstatic about gardening, and I want to grow everything. And I hope that someone finds this information and realizes how fun it is, and that our information becomes a valuable source for people to take that first step. So thanks.